How to download Fortnite Mobile on your iOS device or on your Apple device right now within some steps without any problem. So let's start this video. How to download Fortnite iOS device. Here is how you can download the Fortnite official game or website to this. Head to fortnite.com/download this link to download the Epic Game Store onto your device. You will get a notification saying your device is not set up to allow marketplaces by Epic Games. Open your setting and near the top tap the banner marked Allow Marketplace from Epic Games and then press Allow button. Now, reopen your browser and return to the previous window, press Install and then install App Marketplace and finally continue. Wait for the Epic Game Store to install and then open the application, select Fortnite app, hit install and wait for it to do so and then enjoy it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it and please subscribe.